Hi, I'm Pat Koppa, and I'm the president here at PowerTest. Thank you for joining me for the March edition of Making It Better, 1 month at a time. As many of you know, here at PowerTest, we like to say that we make it better for our customers, for our employees, and for society. This month, I'm going to focus on two areas, a customer topic and then society. First and foremost, I'd like to talk about a recent project we just completed, a 2-year project with the Canadian Navy, working on a hydraulic test stand to be used in their submarine repair facility. Now, the Canadian Navy wanted a very efficient solution, using as little electricity as possible. And our custom engineered solution group and our sharp engineers in that area were more than up to the challenge and came up with a great solution. Simply speaking, on the hydraulic pump side of the machine, electricity drives a spindle that drives a hydraulic pump. That pump produces pressure. That hydraulic energy in the form of pressure is driven back into our test stand. Inside the test stand, that hydraulic energy is converted back into electrical energy, which drives the spindle, which drives the pump. The end result is a very small electrical draw while testing a hydraulic pump. On the motor side of the test stand, electricity is used to create pressure. That pressure then goes into the hydraulic motor, which spins in its output. Its output drives an electric generator. That generator produces electricity, which then is used to produce more pressure to drive that hydraulic motor. The end result, very little electricity being used. So the final solution is a highly efficient test stand. In fact, they bought 2. And that test stand is very green. The happy news is our Canadian partners love the solution. We just completed training their people last week, and they couldn't be happier. And I have to admit, being a former submariner myself in the U.S. Navy, I have a very warm spot in my heart for our colleagues up in the Canadian Submarine Force. Last but not least, I'd like to talk about society. As some of you might know, we are strong supporters of the Milwaukee Rescue Mission. It's a local charitable organization in downtown Milwaukee. They take people who've had some bad luck and are out on the street, and they bring them indoors. They give them shelter. They give them food. They give them respect. They give them education, training, and faith. And with the combination of all those things, they take these people whose lives were in ruins, they get them turned around, back out on the street into real jobs, contributing to society in a quality way with full self-esteem and dignity. We believe in the Milwaukee Rescue Mission's work. We support it wholeheartedly, and we do all we can to partner with them. This month, because of a generous donor who agreed to match 1-to-1 every dollar donated, inspired us at PowerTest to make a significant contribution. In fact, in March, we made a $17,000 donation to the Milwaukee Rescue Mission. Due to the match, that became a $34,000 contribution towards an outstanding organization that certainly makes the world a better place. And we're proud to be partners with them. Well, that wraps up the month of March. Hope you enjoyed the update. Hope to see you next month. In the meantime, let's all make the world a better place, 30 days at a time. Oh yeah, and one other thing. March happens to be my favorite month. And you know why? It's certainly not Milwaukee weather. It's because of March Madness. Go Bucky, on Wisconsin.